behind me here, I'm hoping that you can see the valley behind me, and you'll be able to see that this is what we call a dry valley, meaning that there's no river that's running through it. Now, these valleys formed at the end of the Ice Age. At this time, there was a huge amount of meltwater coming from the glaciers that were completely covering the United Kingdom. Now, as they melted, a huge amount of meltwater started to flow over the land, and it started to carve out valleys. Now, it's obviously the water has been flowing through this valley, and it's created this nice V-shaped valley that's in the background here. Now, as remembering that limestone is a permeable rock, there's very little surface water, and that means that the rivers that once flowed over this land at the end of the Ice Age no longer do, and that's because the limestone takes in the rainwater through all of the cracks that are within the limestone rock. Now, during times of increased rainfall, you might find that this does have a river that's flowing through it, because the water table will rise up to the surface underneath the ground, and when the water table rises to the surface, it means that no more water can percolate through the cracks or permeate through the cracks. Now, that means that the water might start sitting and flowing over the surface. So what you find here is, although this is a dry valley, it could be an intermittent stream, which means that intermittently, every so often, a river will flow through it when there's been an increased amount of rainfall.